Today, we're diving into a feature of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL that's been getting a lot of buzz: faster charging. But like everything in tech, there's more to it than meets the eye. So let's unpack this and see what's really going on. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has made waves with its new charging capabilities. Google has ramped up the charging speed from the Pixel 8 Pro's 27 watt to a solid 37 watt. That's quite an improvement, right? Faster charging means less time tethered to a wall and more time using your phone. But as with most things in tech, there's a little catch. To take advantage of this faster charging, you'll need a specific type of charger, a USB power delivery PPS charger that meets certain voltage requirements. Now, you might be wondering, why can't I just use any charger? That's a great question, and it's what we're here to break down. The reason behind this specific requirement lies in how the Pixel 9 Pro XL achieves faster charging. As documented in a Reddit thread, Google has opted to increase the charging voltage rather than the current. This approach is typically used in devices with larger batteries like laptops. When the voltage is increased, the energy is transferred more quickly, but converting that high voltage back down to the battery level can cause some issues like heat generation and efficiency loss. Not all charging bricks are equipped to handle this higher voltage. You might have a charger that outputs 40 watt or even more, but that doesn't necessarily mean it can deliver the 37 watt your Pixel 9 Pro XL needs. The reason? Voltage limitations. If the charger can't meet the voltage requirement, you won't get that faster charging speed. Let's get into the specifics of what the Pixel 9 Pro XL needs. Charging speed, 37 watt. Charging technology, USB power delivery PPS. Voltage requirement, up to 18 volt according to the Reddit thread. This combination is designed to get your Pixel 9 Pro XL charged up quickly, but only if your charger can keep up. Google isn't alone in using higher voltages to achieve faster charging. Take ASUS for instance. Their Zenfone 11 Ultra and ROG Phone 8 Pro used a similar strategy to hit 65 watt charging speeds. But the difference lies in the voltage. To charge your Pixel 9 Pro XL at its maximum speed, your charger needs to support that crucial voltage level. So what are your options? If you're looking for a third-party charger that works with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, you'll need to check that it supports the required voltage. Some good choices include Samsung's 45 watt charger, which supports up to 20 volts / 2.25 amperes over PPS, or Anker's 45 watt Nano 2, which also supports up to 20 volts / 2.25 amperes over PPS. But honestly, if you want to play it safe, sticking with Google's official 45 watt charger is your best bet. This shift in charging technology highlights a broader issue in the world of smartphones. To quickly recap, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers faster charging at 37 watt, but only if you have a USB power delivery PPS charger that supports up to 18V. Not all chargers will cut it, so it's essential to choose wisely. The safest bet? Go with Google's official 45 watt charger. That's it for today. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's faster charging is a great feature, but make sure you're equipped with the right charger to take full advantage of it. What are your thoughts on this? Will the charger requirement affect your decision to upgrade? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.